Hey guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you timeline animation in Davinci Resolve. Alright, so here we are in the edit tab. I have taken this random clip. So now select the clip and go in the fusion, shift space, take S render, shift space again, take one S rectangle. Alright, so now take a merge node, shift and connect this node, connect S render to merge and rectangle to S render. So now go in the rectangle, decrease the height by something 0.009, take this down and I want to increase the width. Now take one more merge, shift, take text plus, connect to the merge node, and now I will write from 2018 to 24, 2018, tab for spacing. Alright, so now add a transform node, select the transform and pull this down. So now I want to change the font, so I will take Poppins. Okay, so now what I will do is go in the S render and add a rectangle node. Okay, so now I will pull this down and increase the soft edge, so we get this kind of look. So now I will add a masking rectangle. Alright, so now I will add this effect to numbers also. So for that I will take rectangle to the merge node, pull this rectangle down, increase the soft edge. Alright, looks good. So now to animate this I will make a keyframe. So now to animate this I will select transform and I will keyframe center, something on 90th frame. So I will go on the first frame, frame 0, make a keyframe, come on the 90th frame again and drag this. I want 2023. This doesn't look interesting, so now I will decrease the size of the rectangle by this much and pull this in the middle and select the transform and pull this in the middle, or I will just drag this. Okay, so this is the animation which we have got. I forgot, we have one more thing to add. Go in the spline, check transform, minimize, select this S, and here we go. This will take some time to render, but this is the effect which we have got. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hit that like button if you like the video, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, and I will see you in the next video.